So we're fishing at Lake Prado. We're looking for fish, obviously. It's gonna feed these ducks some this old power bait. I only have this bit left. I'm trying to feed it to those birds over there. They are so beautiful. Wow. And I'm going up this hill and behind that bush to see these weird little birds. Oh, they're flying away. Whoa. Why is there so... Oh, ducks. Whoa, why do some ducks look like ham? What? I need to feed one of these. I need to feed one of them. Probably gonna smell. Oh. Sorry, I paused the video. I just needed to. Somebody was catching a fish, so I helped them out with this net. Let's see what I can catch. Let's look for a good spot, like right over there. These were the birds I was talking about. Wow, they came so close. What the? Is this a coconut? What is this? Wait, let me just set this up. Okay, I caught this and it does look like a coconut. I can't believe I just caught a coconut. What? Yep, we definitely did catch a coconut. That's crazy. So I remember one day I saw some tadpoles in this very polluted area. So I'm gonna see what I can find. In this swing, I caught nothing but some very disgusting rocks that have a bunch of algae. Yup, that coconut was definitely the only good catch. Haven't found any rainbow trout. They just packed the lake with some trout, all kinds of trout. So we're gonna go. That's why we're going fishing. Who would have a coconut? Who would put a coconut in the lake? Okay, another good catch. Not really a catch, but I found a ladybug. Wait, let me show it to you. This little guy. Wanna watch him fly? Where is he? Oh. I'm draining the coconut water because I hate coconut water. Would you ever eat a coconut from a lake? This is a pretty dumb question. Okay. Before, after. How would I find a coconut in a lake? You can tell it's been here for a long time because there's algae all over it. I shouldn't even be touching this. This is so crazy. It's just, I want to eat it so bad, but it came from a lake with very harmful algae. So I opened this coconut for absolutely nothing, just to get a cool video and make cups for people who want to infect themselves very badly. Here's also another reason why you shouldn't eat this. There's mold and dirt a lot of it. So say bye to that coconut and the other half.